Good afternoon. My name is Jose Ferrer again. I'm here for my course EDTC 632990L, Special Topics in Technology. This video that I'm going to be making is a quick 2 to 3 minute video on the World of Warcraft and how it can be used for educational purposes. As you can see here, this is my avatar. I kind of designed it to look like me. I am growing a beard, so this avatar does show my beard, as you can see here at the upper right. Upper left. That is me, and I chose this clothing because that was the only one that was available. You know, that's the way they dress in this World of Warcraft for beginners. That's the only thing I had available. Only weapon I had was that stick on my back. It's used to, I guess, defend myself. Haven't done much World of Warcraft. I'm fairly new to it. Going through the process of creating my avatar was kind of fun. You know, you get to choose the clothing, the beard, eye color, skin color. It's a pretty fun activity before you start the game. As far as how you can use it in educational purposes, there's not an excessive amount of ways that it can be used in education, but it can. Some of the content that I've read on was that there's a lot of multiplayer collaboration where you collaborate with other people within World of Warcraft. Collaboration is key. Another topic that can be learned is economies. Students can learn about the different economies in the different worlds of Warcraft. They can learn how the economies work, what it takes to keep them afloat, and so on. Also, I have been reading some research that says that some of the teachers are starting to use this in their curriculum, and there's actually a study where they teach you how you can be a hero and what it means to be a hero, the history of being a hero through World of Warcraft. As far as the educational research that's been done on World of Warcraft, I have read that it says that it does cultivate critical thinking skills. Educators are starting to adapt this World of Warcraft game to their classroom to teach them different subjects and topics. It does help with higher order thinking skills. Some of the skills that can be used in the workplace include managing disputes, because in this game there is a lot of disputes. You have to learn how to dispute with one another. Also strategy and apprentice programs here where you learn from someone else. And this study was actually conducted by MIT on gaming, including World of Warcraft. Other things that I've read was that this learning that they're going through within the World of Warcraft, it is transferable to real life. There are a lot of learning skills, and the big one that I also found was that it did help with improving linguistic skills, because again, you don't always speak through the microphone. You can also type messages, so it helps with the linguistic skills as well. And as you can see here, I'm traveling inside the World of Warcraft. Like I said, I'm kind of new, so really don't know where I'm going. Just following, this bridge here. It's pretty cool and fun. Also, another thing that I read was that it does help individuals that have been playing it. They do change in the way that they make decisions, based on the feedback they receive from this World of Warcraft game. And they also stated that repeated actions within the game helps them with that strategy that is helping or can help in the workplace. So this is my video on World of Warcraft and how it can help in education, and we'll be posting it here in the classroom and on YouTube as well. Thank you very much.